Hey guys, it's Mono from Motorcycle Tyre Warehouse, and this little quick video is aimed at the Yamaha T7 riders looking for a good set of adventure tyres. On this particular case, we have recommended the MOTOZ Tractionator Adventure tubeless type for the rear, and the MOTOZ Tractionator Dualventure for the front in the 90-90-21 tubeless. Even though these take tubes, we recommend the tubeless if you're going for the distance. It has a 4-ply carcass other than the tube type, which is a 3-ply carcass. Notice this doesn't have the hacksaw ring that a lighter tyre would give. And drum roll, Tish, these tyres have done 11,000 kilometres right across the top end, doing everything. And as you see, there's still enough to get home. Matter of fact, that front could probably do a few thousand more. But these tyres are a fantastic choice. One thing we will point out, this is the actual 140/80/18, the factory size is a 150/70/18. This tyre actually fits better and works better than the 150. The 150 is a little bit large for the rim, tends to roll over here. You don't tend to use the extra rubber that you're paying to carry around anyway. So that's a great set of tyres, 11,000 kilometres of all-weather riding, rocks, creek crossings, all styles of road. That's a big ask for a set of Dualventure tyres these days. Great value. So click on our link for a website for more, but thanks for watching.